Bumabiyahe na ako with my motorcycle and then sumemplang ako. Buti na lang insured ako. Kasi naalala ko, I applied for insurance yesterday. Doon sa ginawang financial literacy seminar ni Sir Jerome Venarao, doon na-introduce sa akin yung AXA Global Health Access, which is ang ganda ng coverage niya. When I'm comparing my HMO at that time and AXA, sobrang laking lamang talaga. Kahit hindi accredited hospital, ika-cover pa rin niya through reimbursement. So, January, kumuha ako. February 13 ng hapon, naihabol ko yung payment at saka yung mga last set of requirements. And then, morning ng February 14, I was invited to appear in a program. Bumabiyahe na ako with my motorcycle and then yung gulong sa unahan ng motorsiklo ko pumutok, sumemplang ako. Ang pinakauna ko talagang naisip is buti na lang insured ako. Kasi naalala ko, I applied for insurance yesterday. Na-confirm namin sa result na damage is ligaments, tore talaga siya. So, sabi ng doctors, kailangan talaga siyang reconstruction. So, we chose one of the best hospitals. Pinili po namin yung St. Luke's. Everything was covered by Global Health Access. Everything went well. My financial advisor, Sir Jerome Venarao, plays a very big role and I'm very grateful. Yung Global Health Access, best talaga siya na health insurance na makukuha mo. If your life is important to you, you should invest in insurance. Kasi insurance protects what matters.